else?
So premium transfer foil. I'm gonna do a frame on it.
Pretty Nuna said, bling it out.
Yes, ma'am. That's a plan, Nuna.
Where's the bill? Which one you want? Gold or silver?
I want to do... What should I do frame for this? Is gold transfer foil.
You know what? I'll go straight to this. No, might not be.
No, I want...
Rose gold?
I want this one.
Okay.
Gold, I think. Or rose gold.
Super cute bling nail said, let Isabella bling it out.
Oh, Isabella.
I can't. I'm not a nail technician.
Oh, she can do some gel nail polish.
In school.
She's funny. So one day I get off and I get home from work and I see she's polishing her toenail. I said, how do you get it on good on the toenails and fingernails? Who's teaching all that? And she said, I'm watching you doing it.
She do everything.
So that's how she's sitting in her little like corner and she's polishing it. Okay, so I'm gonna kill this for 30 seconds.
Pretty Nuna said silver would be nice.
You want silver?
And then Larva said ruby rose and Bahama crystal.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can't get it. Ruby rose and Bahamas. I need some Bahamas crystals right here.
Bahama?
Ruby rose, here you
This one
go.
too?
Should this gold, silver?
Okay, get your piece.
Okay. I think we'll never settle for like no crystal, ladies.
I'm gonna do some rose gold.
Silver, gold, or rose gold. Now you ladies vote. If whatever I do, I'm gonna pick the beads matching with this. So you lady pick, what is your taste today? Gold, I'm sorry, rose gold, silver, and gold.
Pretty Nuna said silver. Already said it. Finn said silver. Festive Nails said golden. Danielle said rose gold.
Alright, we got a vote.
Sarah said gold.
Sarah
Super
said
Cute
gold.
Bling Nail said both. Larva said rose gold. Rosie said rose gold.
How many rows go there? It looks a lot
Mika
of.
said rose. Daniela said rose gold or gold.
Well, they don't see
Skin
much there.
Savvy said
Below the,
gold. ICG
just
said
gotta
all of them.
flaming around a bit. So we can see the reflection.
Miss Vicky said rose.
This is really reflected. This is
Can I
like
get
really-
rose gold?
I
Beads?
think
I need the Bahamas. All right, done with this.
everyone said rose gold.
I'll do all three of them at the same time.
ICG now said all of them.
Look what I'm gonna do. Right? Here's your goal. Oh, here's your goal goes. Oh, okay, it's gonna be really interesting here. And here is your goal. Ah, looks cool. Next, silver. Lady, I have them all.
You'll do all?
Yeah. You can't even tell much though. It's fun though. No, it's just not. It's on a different one. Okay. Thank you. How about that? This one, you ladies? So you get an idea of what it's gonna turn out. I know. I like them all, to be honest. So if just in case your clients had a taste of gold, here's a rose gold, here's silver, here's a gold. I don't know. You can't really tell. It looks cool though. It looks like ombre foil. It makes this nail look even cuter, right? Fun. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some condensed glue gels on all entire nails. And wanna do some crystal along with that. Really thick density. And make sure you blend it all inside the nails, because if you just know exactly where you place your crystals, absolutely you can just apply on that spot. But if you're not sure, it's like me, I always like get more than I was planning on it, because just in case that I need more, so I always have the condensed glue gel and it's blended really nicely underneath.
The Ricky Bling nail set, it looks like a chrome mirror.
It is real cool, huh? So need the smaller beads. And next gonna be a no wipe top coat on the top. So it's no wipe top coat and condensed glue gel will help grab the base of the crystal in one place. Make sure you're floating on the top, so that way it's not gonna contaminating. If you drag or press it so hard on the bristle, it might drag the condensed glue gel and contaminating into the brush, and it makes your top is not gonna look super shiny, and it's kind of a tacky layer. So avoiding it by just like doing really gentle touch. This one. You can completely do a whole nails. What happened?
You got about 7 more minutes.
Okay, fast forward. Thank you so much, lady. It was so pleasure to do another live tutorial today. Tomorrow gonna be another one too. It's gonna be fun. If you first time tuning in, welcome to our live tutorial. If you are like you can turn on the notifications from on right top corners of the Instagram. You can get notified whenever we're going live, so you can join us for the free tutorial trainings. It's my pleasures and enjoy so much with every single day. It's my absolutely a therapies. And with this one, you can continue to doing it if you want. And also, beats or no beats, you know, what do you feel like? What are you feel like today? Should we do beats?
Larva said this nail should be called birthday cake.
It is? I like that. Should we do beats on it? Go beats. Do not let Instagram, if none of you are here, I'm gonna continue with Instagram when it's ends, so then I can have fun, beautiful nails. All right. Keep calm, glitz on.
Larva said yes, beads.
The beads on. All right, voting. Rose go?
You already put rose on.
But I can change anytime. Before we gear, we can change everything. Right, ladies? What do you say? Anyone say go? Oh, we should do it. Oh, I forgot. I should do gold, and then rose gold, and then silver. I should do that. But if you do that, please share with me. I would love to see your beautiful nails that you're gonna do. Or use it for your contest coming after we're done with the giveaway. Remember to enter the giveaway if you haven't have chance. If you're just first time tuning in, we have a giveaways going on.
Now you got 2 minutes.
It ends by tomorrow on Thursday, 11:51 of a Central Standard Time. And if you're going down to the post, the original post to tell you how you can enter to win, you win over $500 gift from Glitz, and which is including your that is the value of second anniversaries crystal kits and surprise treasure box. So remember to enter to win and follow all the steps so you won't miss a chance to count your enters.
Yes, and you gotta make that.
If I'm out from Instagram, you can come back see me for the final looks and Q&A if you would like to. Otherwise, I'll be here live by myself and you can watch it tomorrow. But I would love to have you because it's more fun to have all of you instead of just by myself. And a Whisper and Isabella, because they're not going to listen to me. Did she always say, huh? Mom, what? Did you always say have?
You have 40 seconds.
10, 9.
No, I said 40.
Oh,
I didn't say 10.
See, used to be when I was younger, it's gonna freak me out and nervous. Oh my God, I'm gonna end. But no, I'm gonna stay here and still doing this because otherwise I'll be so rushed and the nails doesn't turn out nice.
Queen Nuna said you won't be alone.
Oh, thank you so much, Luna.
Okay, you officially have 10 seconds.
Okay, I will be right back.
5, 4, boom, boom, boom.
I have Facebook with
Super
me.
Cute Bling Nails said, Larvas, your treasure box will have cake, not the gift.
Oh, the cake. That'd be fun. You know what? I really like this one right there. And now I am going to gear for 60 seconds. Hi everyone, welcome back. I just finished the beats on for everyone's right now. I am going to key it for 60 seconds.